Little Timmy loved exploring his dusty old attic. But today he found something that would change everything.
It was an ancient map showing hidden tunnels under Stickville. A big red X marked the spot of a legendary treasure.
But Timmy wasn't the only one looking for the treasure. A greedy treasure hunter had arrived in town with the same map. Timmy found the secret entrance before the hunter could. He took a deep breath and stepped into the unknown. The tunnels were filled with glowing crystals and ancient carvings. Timmy followed the map deeper into the earth below.
Ancient puzzles blocked his path at every turn. But Timmy was smart and figured them out one by one.
But the treasure hunter had followed him deep underground. Timmy was caught and couldn't move.